Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify table snapshots in Delta Lake using Databricks step by step clearly. To begin verifying table snapshots in Delta Lake using Databricks, first, log into your Databricks workspace. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace where your Delta Lake tables are stored. Locate the cluster you want to use and ensure it is running. Open a new notebook to execute the necessary commands. Start by loading the Delta Lake table you want to verify. Use the command to read the table into a data frame. For example, you can write df equals spark.read.format delta.load path _ to your table. Next, display the content of the data frame to confirm you have loaded the correct table. Now, check the history of the table by using the command deltatable.history. This will provide you with a list of all the snapshots taken for the table. Review the output to identify the specific version you wish to verify. To access a particular snapshot, use the command df_version equals spark.read.format delta.option version. Replace specific _version with the version number you identified earlier. Display the data frame for that specific version to check the data it contains. Next, compare the content of the original data frame with the version data frame. You can accomplish this by using data comparison functions or conducting a simple count. If you want to verify the data more thoroughly, perform additional transformations as needed. Additionally, you can use the command to check for schema evolution using deltatable.schema. This will show you any changes made to the schema over time. To further validate the snapshots, consider using timestamps with the command df_time equals spark.read.format delta. Replace the timestamp with the specific date and time for your verification. After verifying the snapshots, you may want to log your results for future reference. In conclusion, verifying table snapshots in Delta Lake using Databricks involves loading the table, checking its history, accessing specific version. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.